Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see top 10 Linux commands. These are the top 10 Linux commands which we use in our day-to-day life. When I have 10 years of IT experience, even I use all these 10 in my day-to-day life. So let's get started. So to show it on a Linux machine, as I'm using a Windows machine, I have opened AWS EC2 console. I'll launch a new instance, new Linux instance. There we can practice. Let's click on instances, launch instance. Linux test. You can select Ubuntu. Test Windows key. Allow SSH traffic from anywhere. Launch instance. As we are going to practice, we don't need to use mobile extem. We can directly connect from the UI. Select, connect, connect. Yeah, we have logged in. So here the first command is change directory. And there is one more I can add here, mkdir, which is make directory. So we have to make directory mkdir test Linux we can give. So a new directory has been created. So we have to check where we are exactly now, in which path we are now. For that we need to use pwd. Pwd means present working directory. So home Ubuntu, we have created a directory. Now we have to go to this directory, cd change directory test Linux. Yes. Now if you give pwd, it will be home Ubuntu test Linux, as we have changed the directory and we went inside this. After this, we can create a new file by using touch test script.sh. This is how we create a script, shell script in Linux. A new shell script was created. If you want to open how, we need to give vi, the file name, enter. Now it will be opened in read-only mode. You have to go into insert mode. Insert is starting with I letter. So remember like that. Press I, then type anything. Echo hello world. Now to come out of this, we need to press escape and then colon. You can see here colon WQ and then exclamatory so that it will save with the content. Now it got created. If you want to see what we have entered, you can give cat test. Yes, this is what we have given. If you want to run /test script .sh, permission denied. By default, it will be in the read-only mode. We can't execute. We have to provide the permissions here. So to provide the permissions, change mode, chmod 755. So to see what are the current ones, we can check ls. This is the file we have created. ls-ltr if you give, it will show what permissions it has. Read, write, read. This one I'll show how we can change. For now, we can see chmod 755 test script .sh. Now, if you see, now execute permission we have given. Here also execute permission we have given. /test script dot. This is how we run a shell script. Yes. Now hello world. It is printing. And then if you want to check the disk space usage, df-h, you'll see the file system size, used, available, and what is the usage percentage and where it is mounted on. And if you check free-g, it will show how much memory we have given, we are using. G is for giga, so there is no giga memory it is using. So hence it is not showing anything. I have given mh, it will show in the MB. And if you want to change the name of the script, for example, this is text script. Now we have to change like prod script, MV, the existing name to the new name, prod script dot sh. We have to do ls-lrt. Here is the prod script. So I told I will explain the change mode how, and here is the last command sudo -s, which will change from any user to root user unless you have the permissions to it. Okay, you should blindly remember 421, which is for read, write, and execute. There will be 3: read, write, execute, and then again read, write, execute. One is for the self user. So here the self user is Ubuntu. One is for group. For example, if I am added to a group called manager or any group, you can consider. So for that group, you are giving the permission. Whoever are present in that group, all will get the same permission. Then 421. This is for others, any other use. This is for self. This is for group. This is for others. So previously we have given chmod 755 test script dot sh 755. What will give 7 if you add? If you add 4 plus 2 plus 1, right? It gives 7. 5, 4 plus 1, 5. That means read and write. Read and execute. X means execute, R means write, read, W means write. Here also we have given the same. So for example, if you want to give only read access, chmod, read means 4. 4. For group also you want to give read 4. For others also you want to give read 4. So this will change that to only read. If we want to try, here we can see chmod, copy, paste it, enter. No such file or directory because we have changed the file name to prodscript.sh. See, all are read. And if you give, so if you want to give only read write access but not execute access, then how it will be? Chmod read plus write 4 plus 2 6 6 6 6 prod script dot sh. That is how we give the permissions. These are the basic commands and which are very much helpful in our day-to-day DevOps activities or Linux system administrator or anything. So here if you see, here we have given that permission. Accordingly, initially it might be difficult, but later on we can well with it. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.